Julius is ready to fucking rip. Whoa! I really can't stop. Oh! Oh! Julius is doing Bernie's. Motherfucker's Tokyo drifting out here. Yeah! Woo! Alright, we are back at Braden's Deer Club today. But as you can tell, we're on a blue bike. They're already doing wheelies, them goons. Oh, Miller's doing a good one. Braden's spraying me with rocks. Whoa! Slow it down. Dude, this bike's brakes are so bad. Like, it's actually kind of scary. Now, the KX is still very tweaked. So today, we're taking out the YZ. This thing literally has no brakes because the fork seals leak. It's gonna be kind of sketch today, not gonna lie. But one good thing about this bike is the fact that it has a recluse clutch. So, and it has board busters. So that means I'm no longer gonna be known as clutch lever guy, cause there's honestly no way that this thing can get broken. Knock on fucking wood. Where are you taking me, Muffin Man? Sure. Oh! I'll try it. Nose goes.
Nose go first.
Yeah! Julie's out here sending it. Sure. On the old 250. I couldn't go up there. Yeah, at least I didn't break a clutch lever. There you go. Oh! Ah, brakes! Hey, buddy. Come here often?
Yeah, no, I'm trying not to, you know.
Guys, I want to join. I want to join the talk. Loser. Julius is moving. Oh God, the brakes don't work. The brakes don't work. Dude, what is this? This is some damn jungle. God, Julius cracks me up. Watch out, bitches, I'm coming through. Easy, baby. This is clutch lever hill.
Okay, let's go.
Never done that before. At least it was kind of cool.
Yeah, I guess it.
Clutch lever hill. Hey, it was on the brake lever side this time, not the clutch lever side. Hey Miller, pro tip, it's slippery.
Yeah, alright, time to hit the tree. Guys with big dicks. Out? No. Say I don't know. No, just say it. Say it for the video. Just say it for the video. What do they say? I would expect you to know anyway.
Good one! Oh God, that's comedy right there, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm probably enjoying it. You should quit your day job. Oh my God!
He made it. He made it all the way up it.
Not the dream bike!
Not the dream bike!
Let's stretch. You know, we never did before we left.
We're gonna stretch?
Yeah, I'm gonna stretch.
Okay. What are we doing, like up or down dog? Glutes. Feel the burn! Feel the burn! What, y'all all have dream bikes except for me. That's not fair. I want a dream bike.
Ryan, your turn, buddy.
Fine. Only because you asked so nicely. Hit me in the butt cheek with it.
A big target. You got the recluse clutch, you got the 250 with the Kenda Ibex.
No, this ain't no Kenda Ibex, son. I'm poor.
Yeah, I know it's your first time riding a bike, so I'm gonna help you up.
Okay.
All right, now I'm gonna push you off. Go.
Push me! Woo! I hit a root and got crooked. This one ain't doing it for me today. I need the KX back. Dude, this hill is... Woo!
Dude, we gotta make it to Parachute Hill. That's where we're headed. Is that where
Parachute Hill?
That's where we're headed.
Alright, we gotta catch up. Not gonna lie, this bike ain't doing it for me. I need the KX back. Oh look, here's a deer feeder. Hey deer. trees and shit. We're heading to Parachute Hill, and last time I didn't make it because I broke off my clutch lever on my KX, so we're gonna see if we can make it on this thing. I'm not really feeling this bike right now. It's kind of wet. The rear tire isn't getting much traction right now, so we'll see. All right, I need to take two. I got to get more momentum at the bottom. Hey, excuse me, sir, our bike. No. I tried to be cool like King Julian, and then I gave it too much throttle, and I hit a root. Ezekiel, hey, f you, Tony. Let me give this another shot. Dude, what is this, f***ing Donkey Kong? Hey, you best bet I'm gonna send him y'all's f***ing way too. Recluse clutch, baby. Look at that. Yeah, dude, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it today. I ran into the tree and my hand came off. Hey, f you. Momentum. There's like a little root at the very bottom once you start to get on it. Yeah. Parachute Hill's getting that much on one of them. Yeah. Miller's doing the best out of all of us.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, the bike's the cheat code. The bike's the cheat code, I'm telling you.
That bike has been trucking up this hill. Yeah, this is a steep motherfucker. Like one little baseball slide and you're going all the way to the fucking creek. King Julian's trying to go to the very tippy top.
Oh, they're taking the hard enduro line. Right.
I didn't even get you, did I?
No, you didn't. Oh my God.
I just made it worse for myself.
Y'all want to go around and hit the circle?
Yeah, let's do it. Circle! I want to go fast! Sure off time because I'm a cool moto guy. Yay! Hey, Miller. Hey, Braden. Hey. No. Hey.
Why is Ron?
Dude, I almost freaking Froggy Fresh right into the tree, didn't I? I was trying to get past him and then a tree just came out of nowhere. Every time we come to the Marty Price Enduro Challenge, bikes get destroyed. Every single time.
They should make an MX game about him.
Marty Moto.
The Marty Moto experience.
Recluse?
Yep.
Not a man or what?
No, I just don't have the grain one.
I got no nose protector.
You neither.
Well, yeah, I got
What are we doing?
We're going to the next hill.
Oh, no, another hill? Damn it, Miller.
You're a cock.
No! The field! Oh! Big wheelie guy! Julius is riding a wheelie the whole way. I look over and Julius is just on one wheel the whole way down. Hell yeah.
Where were you?
I'm on a 250F with a slipping clutch. Suck my fucking left nuts.
Wow, that was my elbow.
Sorry, buddy.
It's a fun one.
This one looks steep.
It ain't as steep as Parachute other than the last like 5 feet.
Yeah, it like just goes straight up at the very top. Let's see it. Show me what's up. Show me how to hit it. Backflip with the dream bike. It's just, you lose all your momentum right there. So, over, okay. Dude, I literally hit the bottom and then just start spinning. All right, hey, get the f out of the way. I'm coming right where you're sitting, Braden. I'm gonna try a different line. I'm gonna try it from this side. Is that count? I just had to attack it at a different spot. Alrighty. That was perfect. Perfect. All right, let's go back home. Oh, Yamaha did pretty good. Okay, guys, let's go home. It's been a fun day. Tyler, good job today. Good job. Yay. We had a hell of a day. Everybody sent their bikes. Nothing got too severely broken. Hopefully we can come back before the summer's over. But other than that, stay tuned for more, and this video is over. Peace.